Hi. So we decided we're going to go for an Easter quad ride today. Go meet up with a family member or two there and see if they want to come for a rip and see what we can get into tonight.
What kind of trouble we can get into today?
I'm unstoppable, do the impossible. I'm irresponsible, yet I'm phenomenal. I got an arsenal, I'm dropping bombs. Everyone's stopping, let's go conquer the obstacle. I'm to the top, here I go, keep on chosen. Keep on smoking, I can hear the tick-tock of the clock, I'm in motion. So now I'm gonna pop, causing all this commotion. Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man, lock it low. That's right, I swear to God that I can drop and go.
This'll be right now.
And you got sucked down into the little drainage part of it.
Let's go. I don't care what they all say. That's right. I'ma do this thing my way. They grinding hard on it all day. Okay. We work hard, then we all play. Yeah. I'm addicted to the grind, man. That's right. So I refuse to waste time, man. One day it all will be fine, man. Gotta commit.
Yeah, see, you would have been fine through here.
I thought you could make it here.
Yeah.
Oh, look, this pond.
Ooh. Oh, a deep puddle!
You want to jump off and get a fish? Deep I am?
Wow, guys. Look how deep and stuck in the mud puddle he is. Well, not stuck, just temporarily delayed. Woo! That's not.
I'm not even that. You see the winch line out?
No.
Another guy. But yeah.
Woo!
All right, come on. I did half that off.
Ready? I got one hand on. Woo! I don't know how rough it's gonna be, but
I don't like this. It scares me because of how it's been a couple times.
yeah. Woo!
I'm gonna try to keep us in some good terrain. That's no room.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to.
It's too bad Kyle couldn't make it here because he could have ripped around here.
Yeah.
This is where I was trying to get him to.
Yeah. Been able to rip around a bit or too bad though.
Yeah.
You can see the frustration.
My life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will
when you're not really holding on except for by like my legs.
A little intense.
I love you too! Whoa! That was so close!
Oh my god. That's the way down. Just keep going. That's the way back around.
Any, mini, miny, mo. Which way are we gonna go?
Straight, I think, okay?
Alright.
That was close.
That was so close!
And then we can go this way, which takes us back to where we normally play.
We'll go towards Essler ball fields. Whee! It's all icy and we're flying around. Shout out having some fun, doing some donuts. Woo! Got a big ol' smirk on his face. We're just having a blast at Easter time. Thanks for coming and helping me.
I always run away! You did help me the first time you went around. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go, here we go, tail wag that. Stay on it. More speed, more better. More speed, more better.
Hey everybody, we found this awesome deep puddle and Chad's gonna try going through it. Wow. I'm just gonna go for a full send. Woo! Holy, you sprayed up so much water.
Break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving.
Whoa!
Hidden puddle.
Get a video of that now.
Wow. Woo. Woo! Yep.
Do it again.
Woo! Having some fun. Oh! And he broke through over there. And he's just having a blast. Caught an edge and then got pulled a different direction. Woo!
So I don't know what you guys, our subscribers and everything, like to see. If you guys like these day ones more because you can see more, or if you guys like the night riding. Personally, I like the night riding because it's more intense. Like, it seems to make everything that much more intense. It's just everything you do is so much scarier and funner, and because you can't see everything, and you gotta like maintain your positions on the trail, and like there's just more consequences, I guess. But it's just like, I don't know, maybe it was because when I started quadding and stuff, it was always seemed to be night times, but we used to always just rip the nights and the trees flying past you. There's nothing like it. I don't know. So how about you guys comment in the comments below about what kind of videos you guys want to see. Like, we have plans of doing everything, but what kind of quadding you guys like? Is this fun?
So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never. I'm taking that crown from you.
A completely straight line. Yep, it's the straightest line ever.
Yeah, see all the S's. Danger walking.
You're aimed straight for the puddle.
Look at it, don't on either side to mark it. What else do you need?
Yeah. Woo. Woo. They're hilarious sign.
Honestly, it's the awesome thing about being in a rural place. You see stuff like that.
Yeah. Woo. Deep puddle.
Off-road adventure start here.
Ah. As we just go left and right and over every little rock and bumping. We're gonna go this way. We decide we want to go that way.
Let's go this way. No, we're gonna go that way. We'll just get a Ruby ourselves the trail to the bush here.
Make our own trail.
Hey, life's too short. Make your own trail.
Look at that huge puddle. Woo! It's a suck you in kind of puddle.
And this is gonna get a different angle.
All right. And we're gonna hit this huge deep puddle. The last couple times we've had to winch ourselves out of it. The water level is almost up to the tires. Oh no!
It's over my boots.
Uh-oh!
I gotta find some depth here so I can get it going.
Woo! That was a deep puddle.
That was the puddle we were worried about. Oh my god, it's deep.
You are so. Woo! Here's our deep little pond. That, as you can see, gets deeper as you go. I
Got you.
I know! That was so close!
I was trying.
Okay, he did get me that time.